Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Topstep promo codes in 2025. So in order to get the best Topstep discounts for 2025, you just have to simply open your web browser and search for Topstep promo codes 2025. Now, once you type this, you just have to scroll down a bit and you will see this website that is just updated 2 days ago. So you need to click on it. Afterwards, you just have to scroll down more in order to find some other websites that are providing you the Topstep promo codes. So here you can just scroll down and you can open the websites in a new tab. Now we will go through the websites one by one. So here you can see that on this website that is named as topsteppromocodes.com. So this is mainly targeting the Topstep promo codes. So you will find 100% working promo codes over here as of 2025. So this is the promo code, that is mobile 25, and another one is champion 25, and this one. So you can find a bunch of different working Topstep promo codes on this website. So these might be working because this particular website is dealing with the Topstep promo codes only. It is hyper micro niche website, so you can trust it. If you want to, you can try all of these promo codes one by one on Topstep, and there might be one of the promo codes that could work for you. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.